guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I have kind of a review for you, and this is an acid peel. It is a lactic acid peel. Now I have been reading about acid peels, and I have been watching videos on it for the past 6 months now, I would say, and I really wanted to give it a try. So what did I do? I went to Amazon to buy lactic acid, and I realized that this one had a lot of reviews, and people were really uplifting it. So I decided to give it a try. So it is from the company MAYAM. It says MAYAM. This company sells oils, coconut oil, shea butter. It helps skin stuff and everything about skin. And so I did get this lactic acid from them, and it says it's an 80% concentration. So obviously I would have to dilute it. As you can see, I took 1 part of lactic acid and I came in with 1 part of water, which is gonna make it 40% concentration. It is gonna reduce the concentration to 40% because I have diluted it. Afterwards, I just mixed everything up. Obviously, I didn't put this on my face without doing a patch test 24 hours prior to this. I did a test at the back of my ear, and I was cool with that before I proceeded to putting this on my face. So if you want to try it, I would recommend you do a 24-hour patch test before you do it. Okay, so afterwards, I cleaned my face with a gentle milk. I didn't want to irritate my face in any form or way, so I did clean my face with a very mild and gentle milk. Afterwards, I just rinsed my face off the milk because I didn't want to leave anything on my face which is gonna react with the acid. So I made sure everything was out of my face. I dabbed my face dry, waited for my face to really dry off. Then I came in with a cotton ball, dipped it inside the acid, and then dabbed it on my face gently. I put it everywhere: my forehead, my nose area, my chin area, a little bit on my neck area, my ear area. I didn't want to miss any part. Now, after I put it on my face, I left it on my face for about 3 to 4 minutes. And guys, I felt some tingling sensation. You can feel some, tingling sensation. And well, I wasn't really alarmed because I had done a patch test and I realized it was like this. So I wasn't really shocked. I was expecting it. I knew it wasn't gonna cause anything major or anything crazy. So I left it on for 3 to 4 minutes. Afterwards, it tells me to wash it off with abundant water. So I washed it off with lots and lots of cool water. First off, I dabbed my face with the water first, then I got under, the shower and just washed my face for about 5 minutes. I stayed under the cool water for about 5 minutes. Then it cooled down a little bit and I dabbed my face dry. As you can see, I didn't rub it. I didn't rub the towel on my face. I dabbed it on my face to prevent any irritation whatsoever. As you can see, my face looked a little bit pale. Yes, you can see the reaction. It looks a little bit pale as compared to my chest, and the other part of my body. Now, I just came in with a little natural oil. This is sweet almond oil, pure sweet almond oil, and I did put it on my face. I could still feel, a little bit of a burning sensation, but it's an acid. So what did I expect? It's going to happen this way. So I put the oil on my face, massaged it gently. I just didn't want to go rough on my face. I massaged it gently, and that was it. And as you can see, I got some little burns around the cheekbone area and the lower eye area, as you can see. So it wasn't hurting or anything, but it was just a burn. It happens sometimes, especially if you have a pimple or an eczema, something there. It is gonna burn. It might burn that place. And lactic acid is not so much of a strong acid, so I wasn't scared, but it's an acid anyway, so you have to be careful. Now Afterwards, I didn't really see any peel on the first day, but on the next morning I realized that I got a little the burn where I showed you first. It's a little, as you can see, it's a little bit dark here under my eye area and on my cheekbone area. It is dry and it is dark, which implies I got a little bit of a burn there. So in the next morning, I washed my face again with mild soap. I still didn't want to irritate my skin with anything, so I didn't clean my face with my cleansing alcohol. And as you can see, my face is a little bit dry. It is dry. And I came in again with my natural oil. I massaged my face the next day with my natural oil, and it was okay. There was no irritation, and it was okay. On the third day, as you can see, my face is very, very dry. And this day, I did wash my face, and I cleaned my face with my cleansing, with my L'Oreal cleanser, which contains alcohol. And as you can see, look at how dirty the cotton ball is. The cotton ball is dirty. It is not dirt, it is my dead skin. It is my dead full skin coming off. And you can see it's so brown, and the epidermis has really come off. So it is really doing its work, it's exfoliating my skin. Yes, so that is it. It really took off the excess, the dead skin off my face. And this is just the third day. On the fourth day, the cotton ball was dirty again, and my face was dry, and I was just pushing in moisturizer, just putting in a moisturizer. This time I did clean again with the L'Oreal cleanser with the alcohol, and I could see the dead skin still coming off, still getting that brown, substance. And my face was getting smoother. Around my nose area, there were no, lipids in my face as compared to before I did the treatment. There is no pores, opened large pores on my face. It's really closed everything, and it's a good deal. I really like this, and I think I am gonna do it again after 2 weeks. Yes, I'll have to wait for my skin to heal first, then I am gonna try it again after 2 weeks, until I am satisfied and I wouldn't need any makeup, until I wouldn't need any foundation. So it's been after 5 days, and as you can see, where I got burnt, the skin has peeled off, and as you can see, it's just a little bit lighter than the other part of my body, but it was a very minor burn, so it's gonna get back into its original color after about a week. So I don't mind at all. So that is the only downside, the little burn I got around my cheekbone area and under my eye area. That is the only downside about it. I think it's a good treatment, because for dark skin, I wouldn't want to go for the TCA peel or a stronger peel. Lactic acid is good for dark skin. I mean, it's good for those with melanin and other things, because our skin contains melanin. So basically what this does is that it's like a chemical exfoliator. It exfoliates the skin. It takes off the dead skin and makes room for the younger looking skin. You can scrub your face and all that, but this one does a deeper job. And I mean, you don't have to use it every day. You have to use it maybe twice a month or once a month or something, because it's a chemical something. And if you use something so strong, it's just gonna worsen it, and it's gonna naturally, the skin is gonna produce more melanin to protect you, and hence it's gonna cause hyperpigmentation, which you do not want. And one thing, when I had to go out the next day, I put on I put on a sunscreen on my face before stepping out, because even if you are in winter and the sun is not so hot, you wouldn't want to expose your face directly to the sun. So that is it. If you have to step out with this within a week, for 1 week after the treatment, you have to protect your face with sun protection. Then you can step out. You can put on your makeup or whatever afterwards, but don't forget to use sun protection. It's another thing. If you don't use it, it's going to break you out. It's going to cause the hyperpigmentation you are trying to get rid of. And as you can see, I put it on my lips too. And I must say, my lips were burning more than my eye area. It also gets rid of dry lips and gives you that softer, nicer, kissable lips. Okay, so that is why I put it on my lips. On my lip, I did put a lip balm afterwards. Every day I was putting a lip balm on it, and as you can see, my lips were peeling, my lips were dry, and it took time to peel and peel and peel, and it was giving way to the fresher, younger, you know, more soft skin to come out. So when I realized that my lip was dry, I'll just put in some natural lip balm to protect my lips. So it was peeling softly, and I didn't, you know, peel them myself. I just allowed it to just fall off naturally, and that is it. That was my first lactic acid treatment, and I did really enjoy it. I liked it, apart from the fact that it did burn my face a little bit. I like this, and I am gonna do it again. And this product from Amazon is cool, and I am gonna buy from them again. It's a pharmaceutical company, I think, and they make cosmetic stuff, and I love it. One thing, you have to store this stuff very well, especially if you have kids or other people in the house. I mean, it's a weak acid, but it burns anyway, so you have to keep it away from kids and other people. You have to make sure it is well labeled. Just keep it away from, you know, other people, so that somebody doesn't mistakenly take it or pour it on the skin or anything. You don't want that. So that is it, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.